Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, the Black Shark 4 and 4 Pro is here. Xiaomi gaming launch Black Shark introduced it today. It latest series of gaming smartphone with a Black Shark 4 and a 4 Pro. The phone have a lot in common, with the difference being in the chipset and a camera department. But overall, both look like a impressive gaming device. The Black Shark 4 and a 4 Pro are built around 6.67-inch E4 AMOLED screen by Samsung. The panel allow 144 Hz screen refresh rate and 720 Hz touch sampling rate. Black Shark expect that the gaming to be so intense, it even launched special esport finger gloves for the most dedicated gamers. The chipset of the Black Shark 4 is a Snapdragon 870, while its Pro sibling option for the true flagship platform Snapdragon 888 chipset. To handle the extra heat, the Black Shark 4 Pro got a two-layer liquid cooling system. The first layer is directly below the screen, sandwich the chipset and the other valuable internals. With the second layer, Xiaomi says this will increase heat dissipation by 30% and lower the CPU temperature by 18 degrees. In addition to enabling a better sustained performance, all this cooling helps maintain the phone cool when charging. Both the Black Shark 4 and the 4 Pro comes with a 120-volt fast charging right out of the gate. The battery capacity is a 4500 mAh, and a demo during the event revealed Xiaomi has managed to speed up the charging from 0 to 100% in just 14 minutes and 50 seconds. There is another major difference between the Pro and the non-Pro option. The true flagship come with a Xiaomi RAM disk, a feature that use RAM as a disk storage, boosting the performance of a particular app. The Black Shark 4 Pro has a 64-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide one with an auxiliary 5-megapixel sensor sitting alongside those. The regular Black Shark 4 option for 48-megapixel main shooter with the other two to 20 megapixel selfie camera and inside centered punch hole retained. These gaming devices come with a pressure sensitivity shoulder key that recognize both a light tap and a hard press, letting you a different thing with each. There are also two mode switch key again on the right side, and the fingerprint scanner home button is in the middle of all of them. There is no room for the volume rocker, so it is on the left side. The user interface a UI 12.5 based on the Android 11. It has a bunch of a feature designed to allocate as much resource as possible to gaming and keep distracting notification out of the way. The Black Shark 4 sales in three color: black and the plan silver and the plan black, and a 4 memory configuration. The 6 gigs and 128 gigs available in $383, and a 8 gig and 128 gig available in $415, and a 12 gig and 128 gig available for a $460, and the biggest 12 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes phone available in $505. The Black Shark 4 Pro start from a $615 for the 8 and 256 gig storage, and available for a 12 gigs on 256 gigabytes for a $690. There also a 16 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes option available in $815, but that has not been listed for sale yet. Pre-order have already begun in a Black Shark official online store. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Black Shark gaming smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.